The orchard needs you guys to come out and pick apples. Our apples are so good right now, but we got a hailstorm yesterday and they may not stay good if they're not picked. Plus they're so ripe right now, they're falling from the tree. We have apples for every size of person. We have apples close to the ground for babies that can walk up and pick their own apple or even crawl and pick their own apple. We have apples high in the tree for teenagers that want to get the perfect ripe apple they're looking at. The orchard needs your help. Please come out and pick. We had an emergency and we need you to come pick our apples and take them home and enjoy them.